I am sure we all enjoyed being students. Presenting you the classroom of life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Peter the Rock. Before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Peter was a curious student, always looking beyond textbooks to find the deeper meaning of what he was learning. One day, he approached his teacher, Mr. Joseph. Sir, he began hesitatingly, I have been thinking, every subject we study must teach us something about life itself, right? Could you help me understand what lessons these subjects offer beyond exams? Mr. Joseph smiled warmly. That's a wonderful question, Peter. Let's explore it together. Start with maths, sir. Mathematics teaches us that every problem has a solution. What about science? Science reveals the power of curiosity and experimentation. It teaches us that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Literature? Literature teaches empathy, Mr. Joseph said passionately. It allows us to live 1,000 lives and see the world through different eyes. It reminds us that every story has value and that our stories too deserve to be heard. What does history teach? History shows us the importance of remembering. It teaches us to learn from our past mistakes, honor sacrifices, and to strive to build a better future. For example, wars result in destruction only. Innocents die, but greed does not. Economics? A seller wants to sell at a higher price, but the customer wants to purchase at a lower price. So our interests depend on our situation. What does geography teach us, sir? Take for example Pluto. It is excluded from the list of planets, but still orbits the sun, showing that we need to move on and ignore what others say. Art is my favorite, Mr. Joseph said. Art teaches self-expression and the beauty of perspective. It reminds us that creativity can bring meaning to the mundane and that everyone's interpretation of the same scene can differ, and that's okay. Sir, what about philosophy? Philosophy pushes us to ask the big questions. It teaches us that seeking answers is as important as finding them. Life isn't about certainty, it's about exploration. Peter's eyes sparkled as Mr. Joseph concluded. So you see, every subject holds life lesson. Our education itself isn't about just preparing for exams. It's about preparing for life. Peter nodded, his mind buzzing with new perspectives. Thank you, sir. I'll pay more attention in class tomorrow, not just for the grades, but for the lessons. The next day, Peter looked at his books differently. The pages weren't just filled with facts and formulae anymore. They were maps to navigate life's journey. I hope this story was interesting. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for subscribing to Peter the Rock so far. Continue doing so. Thank you.